name is Jessie Klein, and I will be talking about how to build your very own chicken coop. When me and my family first moved to our ranch, one of the first things we bought was chickens. But we didn't want any old store-bought coop. We wanted to build our own chicken coop and make memories together. Our coop was a 4x4 foot coop with wire down the side. This is what I will be telling you about how to build. We added branches and laying boxes inside for our chickens. The first step, you need to gather your materials. Secondly, you are going to want to cut and measure your materials. All of this will depend on how big or small you want your chicken coop. Thirdly, you will need to prep and put together your chicken coop. Your first step, gathering materials, is one of the most important parts. The materials you are going to need is plywood, pallets, wire, screws, staples, latches, hinges, and chicken wire, and 2x4s. All of these materials are going to depend on how big or small you want your coop. Secondly, measuring and cutting your materials. You're going to want to measure and cut your materials according to how big or small you want your coop. You're going to want to measure and cut all your walls the same. For one of your walls, cut a hole out big enough for you or someone else to fit through as your door. Keep this piece cut out for your door for later. The next piece of plywood, cut out a big hole and make sure there is a border around it. You are going to put your chicken wire on this one using your plywood and your staples. After you do all of this, lay out your materials for the third step. The third step is putting together your chicken coop. You're going to want to lay out all your materials where they're going to go to make it easier and faster to put together. The first things you're going to want to do is screw down a piece of plywood to the bottom of your pallet for the flooring in your chicken coop. Next, use your 2x4s and make a frame for your chicken coop, walls, and roof. Next, put up your walls. Make sure that your wall with the wire on is already on, your wire is already on that pallet. Then, screw that up. Make sure the wire is to the inside of your chicken coop. Next, put on the rest of your walls and your roof. After you have your chicken coop set up and how you like it, make sure you put your shavings inside on the floor, hang your laying boxes, and put some hay in those. Next, hang your branches. Me and my family just went out and found branches for the perches and used old milk crates for our laying boxes. In conclusion, putting your chicken coop together should be fun and easy with your family. Your first step is gathering your materials. Secondly, you are going to want to measure and cut out your materials for your coop, depending on the size it is. Thirdly, put together your coop and make sure your chickens are comfortable and like it. Me and my family have always enjoyed our chickens, and I hope you enjoy yours as well.